Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Karan and I am excited to share my passion with you on this channel. You will find a variety of content like design and development. I'll be posting new videos regularly, so make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will never miss a video. Thank you for stopping by and I hope you enjoy the content. In this video, we are going to talk about Python string comparison. And these are all the strings. And let's say that we have S1 as I am developer and S2 string as Karan. Then if we compare S1 lesser than S2, we will get true. Let's talk about how this string comparison works internally in Python. So in here we have two strings so that we compare by by character. That means these first A and in string in S2 this K are compared to first. So here A is smaller. That means it comes first in the alphabetical order and K comes after. And since A is smaller, it decided that this string is smaller. So how does this work internally? Every character of a string has an integer code and we call this code as Unicode. In Python, your character are stored using Unicodes. And in other programming languages like C, C++, characters are stored as ASCII values. So we'll be getting a question that what is the difference between Unicode and ASCII code? Let me tell you. So ASCII code are smaller range codes and they were old codes, and this supports only 128 characters and extended ASCII supports 256 somewhat characters, but Unicode supports large range of characters. The good thing in this is if you try to get English alphabetical in other programming languages like C or C++, which has ASCII values, you will get the same value as in Python. What? The same values? Then what's the difference, man? Right? You'll be asking to me. Let me tell you that ASCII values of characters are same as their Unicode values. So you can get this Unicode values or ASCII values of these characters by using a function called odd. And in parenthesis, you can give any alphabetical letter. In Python, you can give single character to get the ASCII value of this character. For A is 97, for B is 98. So all these small characters have continuous values from small a to small z. That is why when you compare A with K, A has smaller ASCII value than K. So it is considered as a lower character. So this being process, we have two string. We start comparing from first character. As soon as we find the character which is small, that any of those string, we say that the string which has smaller character is smaller. So S1 is smaller. Now we see these outputs. S1 smaller than S2, it prints true. S1 smaller than equal to S2, it also prints true. S1 greater than S2, it's not true, right? S1 is smaller. So we get the output as false. S1 greater than or equal to S2, so this prints false again. S1 equal to S2 are the same. Equal to operator gives you true if both the strings have same values, otherwise false. Here that is not same, so that's why we get false. This not equal to operator also, that this is opposite of equal to, and this is going to give true because they are not equal to each other. Let's now get a better idea of the string comparison with more example. So we have strings A, B, C, D and ABC here. This is how comparison works. A is compared to A, B is with compared to B, C is compared to C. Now this string is finished and this string have extra character. So when one string finishes and another string has extra characters, the string which have extra characters are considered greater. So greater operator is going to give you true for these two strings. If you write these two strings in a print statement, you will get the output as true. Let's now see this example. These are uppercase strings, and uppercase also characters has continuous values. So if you call odd function, that capital letter A, you will be getting 65 as ASCII value of capital A. And if you call odd with capital B, you will get 66, and C for 67 and D for 68. So Z has greater ASCII value, so this string is greater, so this is true again. Now if you see this string, small abc or lowercase abc and uppercase abc, you must have noticed that lowercase characters have higher ASCII values. So small a has higher ASCII value than capital A. So first character itself is a greater, so that's why this is true. Now let's see this string. We compare first character with the first character of the string, and the string's first character is greater, so this is also true. For all these statements here are true. This is greater than this is greater than this is greater than this is greater than this. And this is how string comparison works in Python. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will never miss a video. Thank you again, and I will see you in the next video.